Selling an air filter can be very difficult because there's a lot of skepticism on the customer's part. The reality of it is an engine needs a clean air filter to operate properly. So what is backing you up? Well, it's the service interval information. Let's look at this 2013 Cadillac Escalade. If you look at the service information, they recommend inspecting the air filter every single oil change, which may be 10,000 miles. And at 50,000 miles, they recommend replacing the air filter no matter what. Next, let's look at this Mercedes-Benz. They still recommend inspection every single oil change, but at 30,000 miles, they recommend replacing the air filter. So what's the difference here? Well, it comes down to the design of the air filter, the capacity, the size of it, pleats, surface area. Each air filter is just a little bit different, but they do recommend replacing it in the service information. A Cadillac and a Mercedes, worlds apart, but they still recommend inspection of the air filter at every single oil change. And this is key because both vehicles have around a 10,000 mile oil change interval. A lot can happen in 10,000 miles to the filter. It could be damaged by water, maybe going down a really dusty road at one time. So inspection is critical. If you do see anything wrong with an air filter that's clogged, recommend replacement before the service interval. But always inspect and never forget about the air filter every single oil change. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.